RAM, or random access memory, is a type of computer memory that provides temporary storage for data that the CPU needs to access quickly. RAM is a vital component in a gaming computer as it affects system performance, multitasking capability, and the smoothness of gameplay. When selecting RAM for a gaming computer, consider the following factors. Capacity. Determine how much RAM you need based on your gaming requirements and budget. Most modern games recommend at least 8 GB of RAM, but for a smoother gaming experience and better multitasking, consider 16 GB or even 32 GB of RAM, especially for more demanding games or if you plan to run other memory-intensive applications simultaneously. Speed. RAM speed, measured in megahertz, affects the rate at which data can be transferred to and from the RAM. Higher RAM speeds can lead to improved system performance, especially in tasks that heavily rely on memory bandwidth, such as gaming. Look for RAM modules with higher clock speeds, but ensure that your motherboard supports those speeds. DDR generation. DDR, double data rate, is a type of RAM, and each generation offers improvements in performance and efficiency. The latest standard is DDR4, which is widely used in modern gaming computers. Ensure that your motherboard supports the DDR generation you choose, example, DDR4, as they are not cross-compatible. Timing. RAM timing refers to the latency or delay in transferring data within the RAM. It is represented by a series of numbers, example, 16-18-18-36, where lower numbers indicate better performance. However, the impact of RAM timing on gaming performance is relatively minor compared to capacity and speed, and it is often overshadowed by other factors. Compatibility. Verify that the RAM you choose is compatible with your motherboard. Check the motherboard specifications for supported RAM speeds, capacity limits, and memory module types, example, DIMM or SODIMM. It's also advisable to consult the motherboard's QVL, qualified vendor list, for a list of officially supported RAM modules. Dual channel or quad channel. Dual channel and quad channel configurations provide increased memory bandwidth and can improve performance in certain scenarios. To take advantage of dual channel or quad channel memory, you'll need to install RAM modules in pairs or sets of 4, respectively, following the motherboard's specific configuration guidelines. Aesthetics. RAM modules come in various designs, including different heatsink styles and RGB lighting options. If aesthetics are important to you, consider RAM modules that match your desired visual theme or complement your other components. Brand and quality. Choose reputable RAM brands known for their reliability and quality, such as Corsair, G.Skill, Kingston, Crucial, and HyperX. These manufacturers often provide warranties and have good customer support. When purchasing RAM, it's recommended to buy all the RAM modules you need in a single kit rather than mixing different kits, as this ensures compatibility and avoids potential issues. Additionally, ensure that your gaming computer's operating system and motherboard support the total RAM capacity you plan to install. Remember to consult your motherboard's manual and specifications for specific recommendations and guidelines regarding RAM installation and compatibility.